analog forest is a type of ecological restoration and agroforestry system designed to mimic the structure, function, and biodiversity of a natural forest while incorporating useful plants for human needs.
It was developed in Sri Lanka by Dr. Ronald Senanayake as an alternative to conventional reforestation methods.
Mimics natural forests. Unlike monoculture plantations, an analog forest replicates the layered structure, canopy, understory, shrubs, ground cover of a native forest.
Biodiverse and resilient, includes a mix of native and non-invasive exotic species to enhance ecological balance.
Productive for humans, integrates food crops, medicinal plants, timber, and other useful species.
Low maintenance. Once established, it requires minimal intervention as it functions like a natural ecosystem.